Happy and great day, dear children. Today we are going to see about trees. Yes, see how beautifully the tree is growing here, right? Tree summary and the question answers of the poem, grade 7 NCERT syllabus. The poem Trees is a long catalog describing the various advantages of trees. Every person who looks at a tree appreciates it for a different reason. Trees are the source of sustaining life. They provide food and shelter. They are loved by children while playing games. They give shade and fruit and various other gifts, right? So, the trees are used by birds. They live in the trees and build their nest. Trees are used by children. They love to make tree houses and use them as swings. Children love to play hide and seek behind the trees. Not just children, even grown ups have fun around the trees. They have their tea parties under the shade of the trees. The strong winds that blow through the trees provide relief to passers-by. During extreme summers, trees provide shade. During winters, trees do not provide shade and allow people to bath in the sun. People get to eat delicious fruits like apple and pear. Trees are useful even when they are chopped down. We get timbers, which is used to make furniture. To some, trees are like beautiful pictures that they would love to paint, and to others, they are profitable as even their shattered leaves could be put to great use. Now, question number 1. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? Now, the answer is children use trees for their games. They make tree houses and play hide and seek behind the trees. Trees play an important role also while adults are spending some time at leisure. Under the shade of the trees, they have their tea parties and they also become a benefiting subject matter for painting. Now, question number 2. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? So answer solution is during summers the trees provide cool shade. In winter this shade is not required. So people stand under the open sun to enjoy its warmth. Right? One purpose of the tree is to provide fruits like apples, pears, and so on. This line is not humorous. Humans do rely on trees for food. Question number 3. With the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own, as in the following example. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. Now try to compose a similar poem about water or air. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. Trees are for those leisurely hours to enjoy the beauty of nature. Trees are for the homemakers to beautify their houses. Trees are for the sick ones to derive their medicine from. Trees are for everyone because to every person a tree has some gift to offer. Actually, this poem has to be written in the format, but here it is written as a paragraph, and just you have to write it as a poem, line by line, sentence by sentence. Now, short answer type questions, extra questions, all these are. Why do the fathers find trees helpful, useful? During the fall, gathering the scattered leaves from the ground, a lot of profit could be reaped. These leaves could be used as fuel or turned into manure and fertilizers. The fathers find this profitable as this aids their business. Why the chopped down trees are called timber? The trees are chopped down so that their wood could be put to use. The logs and wood timber is used for carpentry and to make furniture. Even when the tree is chopped down, it is useful and profitable. Question number 3. From the reading of the poem, evaluate the benefits of trees. The trees have various benefits. They cater to the needs of all forms of life. Birds derive food and shelter from the trees, and so do some of the animals. Birds use trees to build their nest. For human beings, too, trees are a major source of sustenance. They get fruits, shade, timber, medicines, and various other such elements from the trees. Children love to play around the trees. For those who have leisurely time, trees provide relief and also work as subjects that could be painted. Now, extract based questions. Read the extract and answer the following questions. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swings on. Have you seen animals or birds making houses in trees? Yes, definitely yes. I have seen many animals making their houses. Nest, birds make their nest in trees. Female monkeys joyously sit on the branches, pluck peas, beans, etc., take out the nuts and feed their young ones. They feel a great content in doing so. Question number 2. Give 2 examples of trees that have a number of uses in everybody's life. The 2 uses of trees are sandalwood tree gives sandal that is considered sacred in rituals, worship, etc. It gives wood, timber, etc. It provides shade to humans, animals, and most importantly, snakes. It gives fragrance. Next is coconut tree gives very juicy sweet fruit. Its coir is used to make ropes, etc. We get timber from it. Now, question number 3 is why do we make swings on trees? Swinging is an exercise that fills you with great joy and energizes you. Swinging on the branches of tree is more interesting than any other swings because it gives fresh air too. How are trees useful for birds? Trees are useful to sit on, to build nest on, to hatch eggs, all of these, all the reasons. What are advantages of trees for children? They can play around trees and get fruits, cloths, books and books from trees. What should be done to save trees? Everyone should plant at least a tree every year. Now, extract 2 is trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. How do a tree prove to be beneficial during summer? The tree gives cool shade during summer. A comment on the tone of the speaker when he says trees are for no shade in winters. The speaker in a humorous way notes that during winter the shade of the tree is not needed. People enjoy the warmth of the sun. Use the word shade in a sentence of your own. We were tired walking a long distance, so we decided to relax under the shade of the sun, shade of a tree. Who reaps the benefits when the wind blows through the trees? Birds, passers-by, adults. All of these is the answer. Who hides behind the trees in hide and seek? Children. Who have tea parties under the shade of the trees? Adults. So that's it, dear. Thank you so much.